What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's begin today's lesson on the left side of the page and draw a small oval for the nose. We're going to draw this coming down at an angle, so we'll start from the tip on the outside, come in, and then back out. Now along the top we're going to draw a smaller oval for a highlight, and then we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now from here, we're going to layer the muzzle in behind. Let's start from the right side of the nose, curve this across, and then down. And I want to bend this up towards the cheek. Let's round out the cheek, come down towards the chin. I'm going to bend this up underneath the nose. Let's bring the mouth all the way over towards the right side. So up here, we're going to add a bracket. And then in the center of the bracket, draw the mouth coming across and then out. Now with the muzzle in place, let's draw the eyes on top. We're going to start on top of the nose, start with the outside edge, going out and then up, round out the eye. I'm going to bring this down just on top of the muzzle, round out the brow, go up towards the right. And then go all the way up toward the top, round out the eye, and then bend that in. In the center of the right eye, let's draw an oval for the pupil, going down and up. Now add a small oval on the top for highlight, and we'll fill the bottom of the pupil in black. Now over on the left side, we're going to tuck the pupil underneath the brow. Let's start up here, come down, and then up, and we'll fill that pupil in black. Over on the outside of the eye, let's draw on the brow. We're going to go up higher, and then bend that down. Let's add a fold on top of the right eye, going across and down. Let's go back on top of the brow, bend the head. We're going to go all the way across, and then bring that down towards the tip of that first spike. Let's bend this in and then down. Now I add two more spikes coming down the side. Let's start up here, go across, and then down. Bend this back in. Now I'm going to add one more spike, so it'll be a little bit smaller. And we'll bend this up and then in underneath the head. Let's go up in this area and add in the ear. We're going to start with the inside edge, bend this up and back, round out the ear, come down the outside. Now I want to trace the ear along the inside going up and then down, and I'll round out the bottom. Let's draw the left ear tucked in behind the head. We're going to start up here, go out and up, round out the ear, and then back in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the front arm. We're going to start underneath the head with a curve. From the bottom, bend the arm coming around, and then in. Let's go back up to the top, just trace that curve on the outside of the arm, and then down. I'm just going to close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add that thick cuff around the wrist. Starting at the top, we go up and down, come down to the bottom, go in the opposite direction. I'm just going to add a fold and pull that back up underneath. From the bottom of the cuff, let's draw the palm coming down and across. Step back, add that first finger, and pull that in. Let's layer two more fingers in behind. So we'll create a fold, go up and then in towards the cuff. Let's go back up underneath the head. We're going to draw the outside of the body, almost like drawing a half circle, going out and then in behind the hand. On the back of the body, add a spike coming down and out, and then tuck that back in. Now over on the left side of the body, we're going to draw an oval for that patch in the center. We're going to go up, come around, and then down in behind the hand, and just trace out the bottom. Let's add the arm coming out on the left side. We're going to start up here, bend the arm coming down and up, round out the arm, bend this back in towards the body. Now I'm going to add that same cuff. I'm just going to add the brackets across the bottom, add another one going up towards the hand, and we'll curve the top. From the top of the cuff, I'm just going to curl the thumb, going around and then down, round out the thumb and pull that back up, add a small curve for the palm. Now with the rest of the hand, I'm going to fold those last two fingers and then point out the index finger. Starting from the cuff, go around the outside of the hand. I'm just going to bend the finger coming down towards the thumb and then curl that back up. Along the top, let's tuck in the second finger coming down in behind the thumb. And let's go back up. I'm just going to stretch that index finger going out, round this out, and then come back in towards the thumb. Now let's move down and draw on the legs. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side. Just going to angle this down and out. Go to the right and do the same thing. Round out the base of the leg. And then angle the legs back up underneath the body. Let's add those thick cuffs around the ankles. Start with the bracket across the top for the fold. Now over on the left side, we go all the way around the bottom and then just tuck that in. From the inside of the cuff, just draw the heel coming in and then down towards the bottom of the foot. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up towards the toes. From the toe, let's curve the foot. We're going to go up and then in towards the cuff. Now we're going to finish off by adding those two large stripes across the top of the feet, starting on the left, coming in and then all the way down towards the bottom. Step out and draw that again. Let's do the same thing on the right, going in the opposite direction. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of classic Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.